Oh, man.
Yeah! That's what we're talking about, buddy!
Beauty.
Hey!
Awesome.
Yeah!
Unreal.
That's hot! Oh my lord, that thing is huge!
Hold that head up, Jeff.
Come on, buddy! Can you get that hole in there? Can you get that
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
buddy?
You know it.
Wow!
Unreal.
That has got to be the fattest fish that I think I've ever seen.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one.
Wow!
What was it, 59-inch girth? This is 5-foot girth.
5-foot girth.
Unreal.
Puncture him, puncture him. Go, 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 go. Okay, good. Right. Push the plunger all the way in. Pull it up. Once you get him off. Just like that.
There, now we'll check it and make sure. Wait! Tag!
That's 2 big fish this year. Nice. We're going to check to make sure he's now a tagged fish.
Yeah!
Beautiful. 666. I hope you're pumped.
Oh yeah.
Wow, this fish is getting heavier.
Wow.
No problem.
I gotta tell you, there is a fish of a lifetime.
This is like sitting on the bottom right now.
Well, what do you say, Reginald, Norm?
Oh, man.
Hey, it's a good day, obviously.
Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. What a fish of a lifetime, you guys. Wow. 300 and 328.
Come on, Sandy, kiss it.
There they are. There's the boys. Jeff, Betty.
Proudest moment right here. Proudest moment.
Wow.
Good job, buddy.
2 big fish. 2 big fish. 2012 so far. We're not done yet.
Nope.
Wow.
Over yet.
Haven't even got into the best month yet.
Love you guys. Way to work, boys. Wow. That is just sick. Oh my goodness gracious.
Look, he's almost ready to go already.
Oh yeah, he's ready. He's ready. Go, eh? He wants to go. He's already kicking.
Look at that. There he is kicking, ready to go. Look at him go. Look at how great a shape that fish is in, hey everybody?
There you go, buddy. Thanks. Yeah.